Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this image inside of layer text effect in Canva. So I'm just going to type in a word. I'll just type in sweet. Then I'm going to change the font as well. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm then going to select a color for the inside part, and I'll just go to effects and I'll select outline. And I'm going to select a white outline, and here I'll just select a different colored background. Then I'm going to copy and paste that. I'll select effects again and I'll select hollow, but I want the outline to be white, so I'm just going to do that. Go to elements and type in anything. I'll just use cupcakes for this. Make sure it is a PNG image like that. Add it on top of this layer, but underneath the hollow layer. Then add this on. Make sure the outline is a little bit thicker than that though. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger as well. It's not super accurate. Like that. And you can even copy and paste the text many times. Like this part, oops. Like 3 times maybe. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to place that behind the... Hold on, let me go to layers. I'll place everything behind that cupcake, except for that one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!